Often, the best way to explain something like this is to show what happens at salary source. This is the EMP10 screen in Wintax 2018 for a taxpayer paid monthly. You can see the tax due for a taxpayer with a salary of 30,000 Rand a month is 5,662 Rand. I will now enter medical aid fund contributions of 5,000 Rand paid by the employee, and I will enter 2 beneficiaries. Contributions paid by the employee are not taxable, and you can see the tax liability is the same at 5,662 Rand. However, the employer is obliged to give the taxpayer tax credits of 606 Rand for the 2 beneficiaries, and this reduces the final pay-as-you-earn tax calculated. I will now change the situation to where the 5,000 Rand contributions are paid by the employer. The employee is now taxed on 35,000 Rand, as the 5,000 Rand contributions paid by the employer are added to income for tax in much the same way as a fringe benefit. Because the taxpayer is now being taxed on 35,000 instead of 30,000, the tax liability is higher. However, the employee still gets tax credits of 606 Rand for the 2 beneficiaries. I've now changed the taxpayer's age to 65 or older, and we can see first of all that the tax liability is less because the taxpayer enjoys a higher primary rebate, and secondly, we can see that the employer is able to award additional tax credits for contributions to employees 65 and older at salary source. This reduces the final pay-as-you-earn tax deducted even further.